pretty hot out today, so I'll be working in small batches and going in to cool off. But I don't want anything flying in here. That's just my luck, so I'm just putting it. All right, take the tray out. Here. Get to the CMC damper, there are 2 bolts which are under the lip right here. Installed the Sirimoto N1 clutch master cylinder damper delete. Basically that's just a bypass of the damper and also the delay valve I removed from the slave cylinder. The damper delete just, the damper itself, that just minimizes NVH in the clutch line so that you don't feel the car vibrations as much in the clutch pedal. But in the process of doing that, it also reduces the feel of the clutch and the engagement minimally, but it does. And then you got the delay valve, which delay valve actually delays the engagement, just like it sounds, of the actual pressure plate to the clutch. It allows a little bit of slippage as you're engaging the gear, make the shifting smoother. But in my opinion, driving manuals my whole life and performance manuals and performance clutches, I like to feel that engagement. I like to feel one with the car. I don't like it buffered. And in my opinion, in rush hour traffic, some people would say they like that buffer, but in rush hour traffic, stop and go traffic on the highway where you're stopping and going, I feel like with the delay valve and the damper where you can't feel it, I feel like I'm riding the clutch, I'm burning the clutch because I can't really feel where the engagement is. And to be honest with you, in this particular car, it is really hard to go less than 5 miles an hour stopping and going. But with that removed, I can feel exactly where it is. I don't feel like I'm burning the clutch. I feel like I've got the engagement right where it needs to be. And to be honest with you, I don't feel a lot of NVH. The damper was supposed to, be this comfort mod, but I don't notice a difference without it. It's not like the pedal's annoying. And another thing to note is with the damper delete, it does not change the pressure of the clutch pedal. I could not do the stainless steel braided flex line for the clutch save cylinder because the flange on flange bolt on one of the metal lines started to strip when I tried to get it off, so I just stopped. I didn't have another metal line to replace it. I'll probably get back to that at a later date. But other than that, I'm happy with this mod.